Dibs on bottom bunk.
Nah, I'm taking the bottom bunk.
Whatever, old man.
In prison, it goes by the elder respect, so whoever's older gets to decide first.
What if he snores at night?
I do.
Good night.
Hey, what about a warning?
All right, criminal, get some rest.
Good morning.
It is way too early.
This stupid cop was snoring all night.
Snoring kept me up. So I think it's like, judging by the sky, like maybe 6 or 7 a.m. right now. First night.
I think I might sleep on the floor for the snoring. Probably so annoying. I've officially moved my bed, and hopefully it will deflect Lenny's snoring.